viewers, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, hello, bonjour, ni hao, assalamu alaikum, namaste. And if you're an OG, if you're an old subscriber, welcome back to another video. This is MAMA-MYLES, and on this channel we talk about lifestyle, fashion, vlogs. We do a little bit of everything. So just go ahead and subscribe to this channel because definitely there's something for you. Now, I'm very sure you must have been able to build your capsule wardrobe. If you haven't watched that video, I made a very detailed video on how you can be able to build a capsule wardrobe. If you haven't watched that video, I'm going to link it in the description box below, or just go down to my channel. I think the video before this one, you're going to find that video. Do not forget to watch it to the end so that you may be able to understand what building a whole capsule wardrobe is all about. And on today's video, I'll be giving you 10 pieces in which you must include in your capsule wardrobe. If you are interested in this kind of video, keep on watching. I want this video to be very interactive, so at the end of each point I'm going to give you options to choose. Like, we are going to do a quiz. We need to be interactive on this video, okay? Once we are done with each point, I'm going to give 2 pieces which you have to choose which one is the correct one, okay? So let's begin with the first one. The first piece you want to include in your capsule wardrobe is a white t-shirt. White t-shirts are very versatile. You can style them anyhow and everyhow. It goes with every piece. So you want to include a white t-shirt in your capsule wardrobe. This is going to ease your style. In case you find yourself in a position where you don't know what outfit you want to go in for, you can just style a white outfit and it goes with everything. You can style a white outfit for work, for casual outings, for basically everything you can style with a white t-shirt. So you need a white t-shirt in your wardrobe. Now let's move to the quiz part. Which white t-shirt should you include in your capsule wardrobe? This one or this one? I'm going to give you some seconds for you to make your choice. Let me know in the comment section which one did you choose. Your time to begin right now. Okay, pens up. Tell me, which one did you choose? This is the right one. This is the kind of white t-shirt you should include in your capsule wardrobe. I'm sure you had it right. The next kind of piece you want to include in your capsule wardrobe are button-down shirts. Button-down shirts are those classic pieces you want to include in your capsule wardrobe. These t-shirts are easy to style. You can style them with a pant, with a skirt, with whatsoever. It's easy to style, so you want to include a button-down t-shirt in your capsule wardrobe, as it's going to elevate your look. It's going to make you look elegant. It's going to make you chic. And now let's move to the quiz part. Now, which kind of button-down shirt are you going to include in your capsule wardrobe? This one or this one? Your time starts now. Hands up. Which one did you choose? This one or this one? The right answer is this one. This is the right kind of button-down shirt you want to include in your capsule wardrobe. Now let's move to the next kind of piece you want to include in your capsule wardrobe. And the next kind of piece you want to include in your capsule wardrobe are blazers. You want to go in for blazers with colors like gray, black, or nude colors. These blazers are easy to pair with any color of pants, so you can easily pair these blazers. Also, you can style blazers for office look, for casual outings, for basically any kind of event. You can style a blazer. So you need a blazer in your capsule wardrobe, and you need to go for neutral color blazers so that it can help you style every outfit that you want. And now let's move to the quiz part. Which kind of blazer will you choose? Will you go in for these blazers or these blazers? Your time starts now. Okay, hands down, which one did you choose? Did you choose this one or this one? The right answer for the kind of blazer you want to go in for are these blazers. Did you get it? Leave your comment in the comment section if you got it. Now let's move to the next kind of piece you want to include in your capsule wardrobe, and these are trouser pants. You want to go in for neutral colors or trouser pants because this is going to help in styling your outfit. You can use trouser pants for office, for casual events, for outings, for dates, for dinner dates. You can use a trouser pants. So you want to include a trouser pants in your capsule wardrobe. And also you want to go for neutral colors for these trouser pants because it's going to help you style your outfit. It's going to help you elevate that look. And now let's move to the crease part. What kind of trouser pants will you include in your capsule wardrobe? Will you include this kind of trouser pants or this kind of trouser pants? I think I'm going to give you some time to think about the answers. I'll be back. Pens down. Did you get your answer? Which trouser pants did you choose? This one or this one? The right answer to the kind of trouser pants you should include in your capsule wardrobe are these trouser pants. Did you get the correct answer? I know you did. Now let's move to the next kind of piece you want to include in your capsule wardrobe. And the next one we have are straight leg pants. Straight leg pants are easy to wear. They are very comfortable, and you can use these straight leg pants to almost every event, right? You can style them anyhow you want. You can style them whether with your t-shirt, with your button-down shirt, with your blazer, and this goes perfectly. So you want to include a straight leg pant in your capsule wardrobe. Now we are moving to the crease part. Which kind of wide leg pants will you include in your capsule wardrobe? This one or this one? Your time starts now. Pants down. What kind of wide leg pants did you choose? Did you choose this wide leg pants or this wide leg pants? The right answer to the kind of wide leg pants you should go in for are these wide leg pants. Move to the next kind of piece you want to include in your capsule wardrobe. The next kind of piece we have on our list are jeans. Jeans are just those outfits that never goes out of fashion. No matter how you do it, they never goes out of fashion. You want to include a pair of jeans in your capsule wardrobe. It's going to make styling outfits easier for you. So now let's move to the crease part. Which kind of jean will you go in for? This kind of jeans or this kind of jeans? Your time begins now. Okay, so which one did you choose? Did you choose this kind of jean or this kind of jean? The right answer is this kind of jean. These are the kind of jeans you want to include in your capsule wardrobe. And now let's move to the next one. The next kind of piece you want to include in your capsule wardrobe are those little black dresses. I think as I'm now on this channel, I don't need to overemphasize on the importance of a little black dress, right? Little black dress can never go wrong. No matter where, no matter how, no matter how you want to do it, a little black dress just can't go wrong. And you can style with any color of shoes, any type of shoes, like whether sneakers, whether pump shoes, no matter any kind of shoes, you can style them with a little black dress. So you need it's a must. This one is a must. You must have it in your capsule wardrobe. So now let's move to the next kind of piece you want to include in your capsule wardrobe. The next kind of piece we have on our list is cardigans. You want to include a cardigan in your capsule wardrobe because these are very important during periods that are cold. During the winter or autumn period, this is going to serve its purpose. And also if you're going out for a date during the night, you might also want to use it because during the night weather gets cold, your outfit, or use it during the night period. So you need a piece of cardigan in your capsule wardrobe. Now let's move to the next kind of piece you want to include in your capsule wardrobe. On our list we have cashmere sweaters. Cashmere sweaters are very important in your capsule wardrobe, especially for casual outing. If you're going out for casual outings, for casual events, you might need a cashmere sweater as it's going to serve a cover on your body. These cashmere sweaters, you can style them with your jean that is already included in your capsule wardrobe or with a skirt. So you need a cashmere sweaters for your capsule wardrobe. Now let's move to the last piece you want to include in your capsule wardrobe. The last piece we have on our list are sneakers. You want to add elegant, cute, simple sneakers in your capsule wardrobe. This is going to help in your styling of outfits for casual events, and why not even for work or office purpose. So you want to go in for a simple, elegant, classy sneaker. sneakers. And now let's move to the crease part. Which kind of sneakers will you include in your capsule wardrobe? This kind of sneakers or this kind of sneakers? Your time starts now. Pens down. I'm sure by now I should be giving you all a hand of applause. Let me do that. That's very good. I know you got most of the questions, and if you did, congratulations to you. So guys, that's it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and why not subscribe to this channel. So guys, that's it for this video, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.